Okay, so this is the same Ford C-Max that came to me in condition engine non-starter, and I found the plug for the fuel rail pressure sensor. It was it had some problems, so I stretched the pins, and after that engine starts very well. But at the same time with this, at that time I have the error that now the car came back with the same problem. Engine is not starting. But when I make the first check, I found only this error, P0698-62, sensor reference voltage circuit low. The other errors are because I take out the plugs for different sensors to check for the 5-volt supply. And the last time when I found that the plug for the fuel rail pressure sensor, it was with problems, and after I solved that problems, the engine starts fine. In that moment I was taking out the EGR valve plug and reset the codes. And now when car came back with the same problem, engine non starter, I think that the main problem is the EGR valve. I'm just thinking, I'm not sure, because now when I test with the multimeter the 5-volt in the pin number 1 for the EGR valve, I do it. I know that I have to back probe for this, but I'm pinning only on a side of the connector. Okay, let me see. I have ground. Okay, I have, this is the EGR valve power supply, sensor power supply, and it is only 3.6 volt. And I'm assuming that that is happening because the EGR valve has a problem, and ECU detects that and cuts the power for the sensor. I'm just presuming this, I'm not sure. And now I will clear all the faults with the EGR valve unplugged. Okay. P0698-62 is the only one that remains. Let me cycle the ignition off, on, and do it again. Have a data stream. What? What? Why? This is crazy. Do it again. I'm thinking that the ECU cuts the power of the EGR sensor for a reason. And if you take out the EGR valve and clear the DTC. Where is the C max? Like this. Okay. I think after you clear the DTC with the EGR valve unplugged, with the plug out, then the ECU restore the power. I'm thinking that it's some kind of protection. I'm not sure. That's what I'm trying to check. Don't understand why the launch give me that error and restart. Okay. Read fault, redrive. Come on. Same error. Clear. Yes. Okay. This is really crazy. So I check all the sensor. The only power supply that is lower than 5 volt is for the EGR valve sensor, position sensor. It's 3.6. And this is preventing the engine to start. Oh, look. After I try to clean the code from 3.6, now it's almost 4 volt. Let me check if the engine starts. The fault is still here. Let's give it a shot. Okay. Oh, it's still here. Let's check during start on the data stream. It's freezing outside. Engine revolution and where is it? Look, if you are not paying attention, I think it's not. Wait. I think it's not the good selection of engine or car, because I here is not where is the fuel rail pressure sensor reading. Don't understand. Let me get back and try to choose automatically. Yes, maybe see, make a wrong selection. Of course, could be an ECU fault or a bad ground, but PCM okay, read the fault, same, okay, the fault remain, the data stream looking for the, don't understand why is not here. I think I need to select automatically detection. Yes. Okay. It's a C-Max. Yes. That's funny. Come on. PCM. Enter. Come on. Read data stream. Okay. Let me see. Yes. Fuel rail pressure. This is the field that I need. Okay, let's try now to clear the fault. Because it was the wrong selection in the diagnostic tool, maybe it was impossible to clear the code. Let's see now. The fault remains. Okay, with the data stream. Engine revolution per minute to see, to be sure that the RPM sensor on the crankshaft is working, and fuel rail pressure. I think it's enough like this. Okay. Where is the graphic? Like this. And let's see. 200 RPM, 0 bar. Maybe it's a fuel starvation. We have a quarter in the tank. As far as I know, we don't have a electrical pump in the fuel tank, a lift pump, as far as I know, but I'm not sure. I check for in-tank power supply relay in fuse. We put you a little bit like this and try to remove the line. See if we have any diesel. What the hell? I need a screwdriver. It's freezing. Okay. So, which one is which? sorry. I don't know if this is a return line, the green one. Yes, because it's smaller. Okay. All right. Let's give it another shot. Short one. See if it's any diesel is coming out. No pressure in the fuel rail pressure. I think some diesel come out, huh? Let me put a little towel, paper towel. Have some here to check if the diesel is coming out or not. But I am sure about one thing, that I have no pressure in the fuel rail pressure. Okay, again, let's check the diesel. Yes, this is the return line. The diesel is coming out. It's very hard to access the fuel lines and everything on this car. Very hard to access. You need to remove a lot of plastic things. Let me see. Let me check if we have on actuation test a fuel pump. I don't know which one is. As in percent, I think is not. Different is output for the ECU to the control the fuel pump duty cycle. So is the injection pump, the high pressure. Let me see. Oh yeah, okay. So we don't have an in-tank fuel pump. Still could be a fuel starvation. What I'm saying is that even if you have a faulty EGR valve with the plug out from the EGR valve, the engine needs to start. Okay, I think I have, I'm not sure, a EGR valve, a spare, from another car, and I will check. But last time when I started this car, the car starts without the EGR valve plugged in. I see on the internet many videos with when they have this problem. It was EGR. I'll check the fuel pressure sensor now. I'll back to you.